Division is the opposite to multiplication. Multiplication is actually addition. So in fact, division is nothing more than subtraction. To help you with the division, the secret to success is to write down the first 9 multiples of the divisor. The divisor in this case is 17, and you'll notice on the left hand side we've written down the first 9 multiples of 17. If you can multiply and you can subtract, then division is easy because we're doing no more than those 2 processes. In the same as addition and multiplication, we work with 1 column at a time. And since division is the inverse or opposite to multiplication, we work from the left-hand column to the right-hand column, as opposed to what we did in the other 2, work from the right-hand column to the left-hand column. So the question of division says, how many numbers can we subtract? How many numbers of 17, or how many times 17 can we subtract from 12,064? Working in the first column, the question we ask ourselves is how many 17s we can take from 1, and the answer is 0. So we put a 0 above the 1 as part of our solution. We now move to the second column and we find out how many 17s we are able to subtract from 12. Again, we cannot take any 17 from 12, so again the answer is 0. We've now done 2 columns in our long division, and all we've done is looked at the table. If we move across to the third column, the number becomes 120. And if we look down the multiples on the left hand side, we can see that 7 17s is 119, and in fact we can take 119 from 120, and that is the largest number we can take from 120 as multiples of 17. We do the subtraction, we have a remainder of 1, and the solution is 7 17s are 119. That goes above the 0 as part of our answer. We've now completed 3 columns. Going to the next column, we bring the 6 down beside the remainder to create the number 16. We ask ourselves now, how many 17s can we take from 16? Again, the answer is 0. We put a 0 above the 6 and we go to the last column. Bringing the 4 down beside the 16, we've created the number 164. How many 17s are we able to subtract from 164? A quick glance down the column on the left hand side shows us we can take 153, which is 9 17s, from 164. We do that subtraction, we write the answer at the top of the column above the 4, we put the 9, and we've finished the quotient part of the division. We do the subtraction, we've got a remainder of 11. The full sum completed is 12,064 divided by 17 gives us a quotient of 709 with a remainder of 11. Long division, nothing more than subtraction, and you can do the subtraction very easily once you've written out the first 9 multiples of the divisor.